Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can insert, resize and crop the image. First we will insert the image. First step is to drag and drop this guy here. You can use whenever you want. And then we will resize it. If you want to keep quality, just hit Shift key and resize it size you want. That's first step. If you want to resize the image, it's really easy. Go here, image size, and if you want to keep quality of image, you need to hit this key here, and then input which size you want, hit OK, and it is resized. If you want to crop the image, it's really simple again. What you need to do, just select this option here, and then you want to crop around this, so select around that, and you can move it left and right if you want, left, right. And when you're satisfied, just hit enter. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.